Fly away, my little Kuma, and evilize him.
Little green parrot sitting on our garden bed. And there he goes. Hey guys, this is Scott Expat in the Philippines. You know that little fella, baby CJ. Say hello. We're on our way down to pick up Mummy from the station. I know it seems repetitive, but at the moment, guys, it's the only content I've got. But we'll have some new content coming soon.
What?
Yes, we're going to have some new content coming soon. Yeah, new content soon. Live stream tonight, guys. Definite. Sorry, I've been a bit crook again. Silly me. I gotta watch what I eat. Plus, I've had an infected finger, which I took the thing out, the infection out with a pin, put over the hot fire, sterilize the needle, clean it, and get it out. Yes. Then I put some Savlon cream on it, antiseptic cream, which you can get from any pharmacy. Doesn't have to be Savlon cream, it depends on where you are in the world. But Savlon cream here is an antiseptic cream, and it does really good, and it's nice. And I put it on the finger after I cauterized it and got the infection out. Oh jeez, it was hurting. Usually I get it on that big finger as well, but because I was down in the pond the other day, looks like I've got to wait for that to heal now. Seriously. Before I can put my hand in cement again, so it doesn't get dirty. Maybe that's what caused it in the first place. Bit of dirt in there got in behind the nail. Anyway, just a little minor scrap between my finger and fingernail. Mummy's coming on a bus because the trains are not running because they're doing more works on the tracks now, and we have been a little bit inconvenienced, but unfortunately that's what happens here. You get a little bit inconvenienced, but they have put on buses to counteract the train being off, which is good. And it helps as well, so it makes things. Yes, live stream, as I said, tonight, 12 o'clock Australia time, 10 o'clock Philippine time. We're back again. But you know, you can't help it if you go out or go to friends' places, or you know, you got 21st or parties or things like that. So, and you come home late, so you cannot help these things. It happens. So we need to be a bit patient, and I know I've been off for I think it's 2 weeks, not sure. So I'm just looking for Arlene. I can't get a car park here because oh yes I can. Oh yes I can. Yes. Oh damn.
Oh, that's not the car park.
Yeah, we're just going to park here because the bus will come in and I can get in there. Make it easy. Make it easy for us. So we're just waiting for the bus to come in, as I just said, and repeat myself again. Unfortunately, it's one of those things we have to do. We have to be inconvenienced all the time. It just happens. And me and CJ love clowning around, don't we, mate? He's been a good boy today, guys. I helped him fix up his train set with the car park and redo it again in the trains. So now he's been told not to muck it up, but to play with the trains as they are on the tracks. You know what 4-year-olds are like. They'll do the opposite to what you tell them to anyway. What's that, Lion King? Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Oh, ow! 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 Get out! Get back! Ah. Big shout out to Young Bags. Big shout out to Jackie Wessel and Carl, Anna, and little Mary. Big shout out to Mickey and Zai. Zai's got a channel, but I can't pronounce it. I keep fucking it up. Yeah, by the way, Mickey, terps or petrol with a scrubbing brush, that'll get the paint off. And Bob's your uncle. No, he's not mine, he's yours. No, we're not getting out of the car, we're waiting for Mummy to come, okay? I've got to wait for Mummy to come. I could go over there, but I'm not going to go over there. I'm staying right here. Staying right put. But like you do when you get lost in the bush.
What?
Yes, when you get lost in the bush, you stay put. You don't move. You don't go left, you don't go right, you don't go forward, or you don't go backwards. You stay right where you are if you're in the bush and you're lost. You just sit there and you stay where you are. And if someone says, hoo-wee, you go, hoo-wee, and they'll hear you. So the more they go, coo-wee, you go, hoo-wee. And because my throat's sore, it doesn't help. But, you know, that's the call. We always call out, coo-wee, and they always go, hoo-wee. So yes, you stay right where you are, you don't move, and especially if you've got a sprained ankle going through the bush and you twisted on a little pothole or a little hole, wombat hole, beaver hole, whatever he said, and you know, or a mountain lion paw, in our case, dingoes, Yeah, always stay put, guys. And if you're lost, probably might pay you if you've been there for a while and you're near a river and you hear a noise like water running or fast moving water. Yes, fast moving water. You hear fast moving water or water running. It might pay to go get a drink because you know what? Water tastes better when it runs, not when it's sitting idle. Yeah, when it's not sitting idle, or sorry, when it's sitting idle, don't touch water, guys. Don't touch the water. When it's running and flowing like rapids or like fast flowing water, oh, that's a good massage. Yeah, always you can drink that, but when it's sitting still like a pond or puddle, no, don't touch it. The other thing is, if you've got plastic on you and you've got a little bucket, the rock on top of the plastic, put 4 rocks around the plastic, dig a hole, first dig a hole, and then put the bucket in the hole, and I think you can use a rock or something, and rocks around the outside, and if the sun's shining on the plastic, it will drip water into the bucket. It's called moisture, and that helps too. Child abuse, daddy abuse. There are 2 things I've learnt in my time. There's another one too as well, guys. I can't think of it off by heart. Oh, sorry. And we're going to make it to 12 o'clock? Too bloody right. I don't even... Oh, you got Lion King, see? Can I show Lion King? Oh, show Lion King. No way!
That's mine!
You want Lion King?
No!
You want Lion King? Yeah. Chance out. Take Lion King. I'm a tease. Big hi to Chris Beecham and Runner Lynn and CJ. Also, big shout out to Ruma and John. We'll catch up with you soon. Big shout out to Karen and Brad and Baby Jack. We're going to also catch up with you guys too soon. Don't know when, but we will give you a ring soon. Daddy abuse, help! They belted up by a midget. Ow! Tell you what, he's going, he's pushing his luck. He's like Manny Pacquiao. I can't beat him. CJ, enough is enough. Sit back in your seat, please. No. No. Come on, sit back in your seat, please. CJ. Do stop. I know you want my hat. I'm bald under here like a badger now. No. Child abuse. Anyway, guys, it's been Scott and CJ. And remember, our live stream on tonight 12 o'clock Australia time, 10 o'clock Philippines time. We will, ow! Ooh, got my hair as well. We'll be there tonight, guys. And tomorrow night, same time. Live stream tonight and tomorrow. Catch you then. Bye for now. Oh.
Got you, Daddy.
I'm losing my hair already, CJ. Chris Beecham's probably laughing at me. Yeah, he's probably laughing. You can laugh. Yeah, you can laugh. You can run. Can't wait. Because you're in New South Wales, I know where you are. Just like I know where the other guy is. Alright guys, catch you later, take care, bye for now.